In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Pizza Hut gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to get one, how to choose a digital option, set the amount, personalize it, and finish your purchase with confidence. First, choose where to buy. You've got a few reliable options. Some Pizza Hut locations sell gift cards at the counter, so if you're already stopping by for a meal, you can ask a team member if they're available. Many major retailers also carry Pizza Hut gift cards in their gift card sections, both in-store and on their websites. Think of places like large department stores and popular pharmacies. If you prefer instant delivery, consider trusted online gift card sellers that offer digital versions. Whichever route you take, stick to reputable sources to ensure the card is authentic and redeemable. If you're buying online, select the e-gift card option. This is the digital version that gets delivered by email. It's great for last-minute gifts or when you're sending to someone who lives far away. The recipient will receive a code they can use online or present in-store, depending on local redemption rules. Just make sure you have the correct recipient email address before moving on. Next, pick the amount. Common preset values include $10, $25, $50, and $100. Choose the one that matches the occasion and your budget. For example, a smaller amount can cover a quick lunch, while a larger amount is perfect for family nights or celebratory meals. If you're unsure, mid-range values are a safe bet and give the recipient flexibility. Now customize if you'd like. Many sellers let you add the recipient's name, include a short message, and choose a design or theme. Keep your note friendly and to the point, and select a design that fits the occasion. This step is optional, but it adds a nice personal touch and makes the gift feel more thoughtful. When you're satisfied, add the gift card to your cart by clicking Buy or Add to Cart. Take a moment to confirm the amount and quantity so you don't accidentally purchase more than you intended. Finally, confirm the purchase. Click Place Order to complete the checkout. You should receive a confirmation email, and if you chose an e-gift card, the recipient will usually get theirs within minutes, though some orders may take longer for verification. If it doesn't show up, remind them to check spam or promotions folders. Once delivered, they can follow the included instructions to redeem and enjoy. And that's all it takes to buy a Pizza Hut gift card quickly and securely.